now this part is over. Now, if AI is not less than array index, then it will go to else first. Here again, it will check whether the array index of the right child, if the new value of this, that is array in the right child of this current node in that binary search tree is equals to null or not. If it is null, as the array element has greater than value of the current node of the binary search tree, so this array element will be inserted at the right child. And if the right child is not null, then it will go to again for the function insert, and here the parent node with which this comparison will be done, that will be the root node of the right subtree. So in this way, so if now array index, then right equals to null. So in that case, we will insert the array element as its right child. So array index dot right equals to I. Then array I left has no children because it is the new node. Then array I right data will be the value of equals to the value of pi, and array I right will has value null. And if array index that child is not null, then we have to else we have to call the insert function once again, and now it will be checked with which element, the root node of the left subtree. So it will call array index dot the root node of the right subtree of the array index. So in this way, it will go on inserting every element of the array into the binary search tree in its proper position. So after binary search tree is created, then we will see whether if we do the in-order traversal, if it is created successfully, then in-order traversal should give unsorted a list of numbers in sorted order. So for that, we have to implement the in-order traversal of this array search tree. So that we are just declare calling a function which is in order, which will just print to the binary search tree in order by traversing in order way. So I have to write the function for this in order, void in order, which will do the in order traversal of the created binary search tree. So here, and while doing the in order traversal, here it will check whether first it will check whether the current node has any left child or not, because if it is left child, it will be printed first and the node will be printed, then its right child will be printed. Now while doing sorting, we have to is in left child that also has children. Suppose the root node has left child and this left child also have children. So again we have to go to the left child. We have to move down to that left child towards to find out the last. Which is first let's children out that total means 3. Then it will do think the left child, then the will node, then right child, then again it will. That is recursively it should be called. So suppose the function is if array, suppose array and initially the int equals to parent is initially I have to here in order to traverse first try from root of I have to first this parameter at 0. That means it is the after first the parameter at 0 because from 0th element it will start. So here I will declare int set and this is set on. Okay, and before defining the function body I have to declare the function also. So controls C has to declare the function here. Okay, now here is parent equals to array parent this child is not equals to none. If equals to none is array parent left is not equals to none. If both not equals to null, then we will go to the again the left children of this current child. So that means I will call the in order function once again, and now the parent is the left child of this current parent. So array parent, the left child of this current parent. And after when it becomes null, then we will print if the left child is null, then we will print the node. That means we will print percentage %t and array, then parent will change this to this the parent. Next, after that, let us then template is not equals. Then we will parent then we will explain to the right child of the cat is not is equals to it's not equals to null. Else we will change the array parent left if he is left equals to null. So we will do one thing else or then array print dot